Hello, Jason Perry here. I just wanted to stop in real quick and give you a quick update and show you around real fast on where you can find the answers to your questions. Obviously, in the Builderall office, your back office, you can go into trainings, you can go into different programs. The affiliates has trainings. This training has all kinds of trainings. And of course, you can always go to Knowledge Base. Knowledge Base is an amazing place. You can type in a question here about a specific subject and it'll pull up anything that's there. One of the things that you might want to also look at is if you'll come over here on Knowledge Base and go to More, you will see, of course, you've got the blog, so you can go on there and read a bunch of really good articles about all different types of topics. But you can also click on New Training, because understand there's a lot going on behind the scenes and a lot of changes and a lot of great training going on. So when you click on New Training, you'll see here a chronological order, March 23rd, how to track a lead in super checkout. And as you see, you can go all the way back through and it shows you the days that the stuff was uploaded, and you can just sit here and scroll through so that you can go back and get as many updates on anything that you need. You'll also see a list over here of all the different things that you can check on. So if you're interested in the e-learning, you can obviously click on e-learning, and anything that's in here at the moment is right there. Now, obviously, you've also got the different Facebook groups. You got the Builderall affiliates, you've got the Builderall official. And I wanted to show real quick, so as an example right here, what I just did was you can literally inside of the Facebook group, whichever Facebook group you're in, if you've got a question and you've not been able to find it in your back office, you've not been able to find it on your specific knowledge base search, then you can come over to, as an example, Builderall Official. Now, if it's something to do with Builderall Affiliate, then you'd probably be better going over to the Builderall Affiliates official page. But let's go back and let's just say that maybe you're interested in a magazine and how to deal with magazines. So you can just type in magazine, and just like that, anything that is inside of this particular group that had the word magazine in it. So here's magazinebuilder.com, spread the word. But as an example, even if you scroll up here and you go here, here's a link that if you clicked on that, this was back in 2020 when Jackie DeClerc, who is considered probably the master of the magazine builder, and this is where she posted that up until this morning of the 17th, the list increased with 85 members. I created this monthly subscription magazine and already have 2,600 subscribers, and it is growing daily. That's a person you want to learn from. And of course, obviously, if you've been around here at any length of time at all, you know that Jackie DeClerc teaches a lot on the Builderall magazine. But a lot of people, I don't think, realize that you can go in there and do a search like that. And so that just helps you not have to come and ask as many questions sometimes, because most of the time you'll find that it's already been asked. Now, Builderall University Live, and I'll be honest, this is new for me and it's new for a lot of people. But as you can see, there's all kinds of information in here: blogging, booking, branding, Builderall and WordPress Pro, Builderall tools, Cheetah, CRM, create a team training site. So just as an example, let's click on that one. And so here we are with part 1, part 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So look at the training you get, and let's click on that just to see the quality of this. And of course, Gene is evidently teaching this one, so you know it's going to be a good one also. And so we'll fast forward this a little bit.
Everything that I'm doing in depth, all right?
Now,
okay, so
one thing you will notice here
is
you can come in here and you can go to the next lesson, go to the previous lesson, or you can exit the lesson. So just think about how much information is here, folks. I mean, they called it university for a reason, because it is like getting a university degree. If you come in here and go through all of this training, I will guarantee you will be a lot more intelligent than you were before you started. And see, we're not supposed to make good guarantees, and I didn't make any claims of income or anything such as that. But there's a lot of great information in here. And just so that we know, if I come over here to Builderall or go to YouTube, and if I click on Builderall and I go to Builderall USA, Again, just an unlimited amount. If you click on videos, just look at what is posted here. There are hundreds and hundreds of training videos from every kind of subject that you can imagine. I invite you to come in here and watch the 5 minutes with the CEOs. They're short, sweet, comical, and you get to see the personality behind the company. And it's amazing. So, basically go in there. Now, again, I'd like to just show you. We'll just do the same example. Let's type in magazine. So when you're inside of a person's YouTube channel, you can do a search and anything that has the word magazine in it will show up. And a lot of times, being honest, and YouTube just keeps advancing. Sometimes it doesn't even have to be in the description. It may literally be that they mention magazine in the video. So that's just a few little tips. Just wanted to let you know, folks, just think about what we just saw, and that's just a matter of a few seconds. Look at all of these apps that you got access to. Look at all the builders, look at all the email autoresponder, the magazine builder, the mockup studio. There's so many things here. And for one low price point, you've got access to every one of these tools and then some. Plus, you've got a plethora of basically, like I said, a university level education of anything digital marketing that you can imagine. And, so if you ever hear anybody complaining about a little glitch here, a little glitch there, understand things happen. First of all, when you've got this many things at your disposal, sure, there's going to be times there may be something that's not working 100%. Is one particular item in here as good as some that might be on the market? Well, you got to also think, is Builderall trying to make a particular, as an example, CRM, customer relationship manager? There are companies out there that is the only thing they have. That's the only thing they're building. And it's 100% CRM. And it's a huge price point. Most of them are, for that one product, is a lot more than Builderall's total price point for all of these tools. So could you say that some of those may have more bells and whistles than Builderall's CRM? Absolutely, and nobody will deny it. The thing is, our CRM is amazing. It does what you need it to do in most cases. And therefore, it integrates with all of these other tools also, and you're coming in at a lower price point. Not only are you getting the CRM, you're getting all of these tools, plus all of the amazing training, not to mention the community and the family atmosphere. So that's my 2 cents worth. We'll talk to you later.